Hi guys, this is John Brianos Magbo and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today guys video guys, I will do to show you guys a design that I made. This is the modern industrial concept designs. This is the my dream house po talaga, and this is so really nice designs po talaga. And before we proceed to the video, please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, MJBMD, for being updated for every videos that I upload to my channel. And without further ado, let's begin to the tour. So guys, this is the very beautiful exterior designs in this house. This is the starting po ng ating tour. So first guys is the exterior designs po muna tayo. And look how beautiful the details and how great the architectural designs, the combinations, materials with the combinations of yung mismo sa harapan niya guys, meron siyang stone cladding. Ang ganda talaga guys ng stone cladding. Tapos ang lalaki pa ng mga salamin niya sa harapan, sa may stairs area. And dalawang salamin na malalaki, matataas talaga sa side ng bahay. O diba? Sobrang luxurious talaga ng bahay na ito. Every detail is so really it's a piece of art talaga. Even though na I'm not an architect here, and talaga naman guys, sobrang ganda po talaga ng designs na to. And take note lang guys na I'm not an architect, I'm just capable to be the better designs for any architectural projects. Even though hindi naman talaga ako nag-aral ng designing, interior designs, wala talaga akong background sa ganyan. Basta it's just my passions mula nung bata pa ako, and this is the design and this is the result of my hard work. So guys, welcome to MJBMD, and upon entering the pedestrian gate, it will lead you to your 2-car garage. So this is your 2-car garage, sobrang ganda, and this 2-car garage has access to your driver's lounge, and later on I will do to show you guys, and I will do to tour you guys to the driver's lounge when we get inside the house. So, let's get inside the house. This is your main entrance na 5-foot door, o diba? Sobrang social dyan, and napakamahal po talaga ng pintuan na to. Then guys, naglagay ako ng corner glass na malaki salamin sa gilid niya para sobrang liwanag ng kanyang foyer. So, let's get inside the house. Upon entering your main entrance, it will lead you to your luxurious and beautiful foyer area. So this is your foyer area guys. It has a combinations of red bricks na accent walls with the combinations of wood cladding materials. Then look how beautiful the ceiling with cove lighting with real wood ceiling. Then napakaganda din ng kanyang chandelier guys. So guys, check po natin yung napaka-luxurious at napakaganda guys na living space area. And this is your very luxurious living space area na sobrang ganda. Double high ceiling nga po pala siya, and look how beautiful the interior designs in this house. Sobrang natutuwa po talaga ako dito po sa MJ Mansion concept design kasi diba, syempre pangarap ko tong bahay, and kung ako nag-successful sa buhay, gusto ko sana ipatayo itong bahay na to. Kasi tingnan mo naman, ang ganda talaga naman guys. Lahat po talaga ng ginamit ko dito or ginawa ko po dito sa bahay na to is yung mga taste ko po talaga and mga gusto ko po talaga sa bahay. Double high ceiling, malaking salamin na parang nasa hotel. Then napakaganda rin po ng kanyang flooring with a gray herringbone pattern designs. Then ang kukumpleto din po sa kanyang interior designs is the stone cladding between the living space area and the dining space area. Look how beautiful the materials that I made with concrete wall finish materials in clean look yung pinaka-interior niya, o diba? Very nice. And besides po sa living space area, yung kanya naman pong dining area. So this is a 8-seaters dining area. tingnan nyo naman guys yung kanyang dining area guys. Sobrang laki ng kanyang salamin and sobrang lupit talaga ng bahay na ito. Talaga naman guys, natutuwa po talaga ako sa bahay kasi meron na din siyang cove lighting. Tapos guys, ang ganda talaga guys ng dating niya, para talaga kayo kumakain sa isang 5-star hotel o 5-star resort. Kasi ang ganda talaga guys sa interior, and the choice of furniture is so really beautiful. And guys, then this is the dining area. Next naman po, or katabi naman ng dining area, is a very beautiful kitchen area with the island counter, o diba? Then tong kitchen area natin, meron siyang bar. Meron siyang mini bar. And talaga naman guys, ang ganda talaga. So lahat talaga ng mga luxury furniture, luxury appliances nyo, pwede nyo at bagay na bagay talaga dito po sa napakagandang kusina na ito. And look how beautiful the combinations colors of the kitchen cabinets, the countertops. My gosh, it's really lovely po talaga. And the high-end stove, ang ganda. Bagay na bagay po talaga sa bahay na to. Then guys, yung sa, for example, nagluluto kayo sa kusina na to, medyo napagod kayo, pwede kayong tumambay dito sa area na to. So this is the tambayan area na malapit guys sa swimming pool and sa dirty kitchen, o diba? Then yung dirty kitchen natin ay meron siyang pintuan na, ang ginawa kong pintuan sa kanya is para siyang accordion type, pero salamin siya, o diba? Napaka-wise talaga. So this is the tambayan area na super duper perfect na perfect po talaga dito, lalo na kung may ginagawa kayong personal na bagay, like nag-aaral kayo, nagde-design kayo, di ba? So it's really perfect place po talaga. So guys, let's proceed to the dirty kitchen and laundry area. So paglabas naman po ng tambayan area, this is the laundry area / dirty kitchens, kung saan pwede dito kumain at pagluto yung mga kasambahay natin, pwede sila dito tumambay. Kasi guys, this tambayan area has access, talagang may access talaga siya kasi nasa backyard lang talaga niya ang swimming pool area. So this is the swimming pool area guys, sa sobrang ganda and sobrang lupit po talaga ng bahay na ito. Tingnan niyo naman guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng swimming pool and napaka-practical po talaga ng layout ng bahay na to kasi wala po siyang sinayang na space. Then guys, dito po sa likod, dito rin po matatagpuan yung maid's quarters and driver's lounge. So first guys, puntahan natin yung kanyang maid's quarter. So this is the maid's quarter with own toilet and bath. O diba? Very nice, very superb and very excellent. Then this is the kwarto ng katulong na may wooden bunk bed. O diba, sosyal? Then, yung kanyang CR naman, tingnan mo naman yung kanyang CR, guys. Ang design guys ng kanyang CR ay meron siyang white brick tiles na sobrang ganda and sobrang lupit talaga ng kanyang materialis, guys. Talaga naman, guys. Nakakatuwa po talaga yung bahay na to kasi super duper luxurious and talaga naman, guys, it's really giving. It's really beautiful and practical talaga. Then check natin yung driver's lounge na malapit lang din po dito po sa maid's quarter. So this is the driver's lounge, guys. Napakaganda po talaga guys ang driver's lounge natin, guys. So meron din po siyang wooden bunk bed, and then yung CR naman po nito is kamukha lang din po ng sa maid's quarter kanina. And this driver's lounge, ito po yung kanina po na sinabi ko sa inyo nung nasa nasa garage pa lang tayo, na meron siyang access sa garage. So meron siyang access door sa garage, and then this is the driver's lounge para kung sa sakali man na kailanganin ng drivers na umalis ka agad, baka kaalis siya kaagad kasi meron siyang pintuan going to your garage area. O diba, accessible, and very functional po talaga yung kanyang door. And yung kanyang CR naman is talagang very nice din. Para talaga siyang katulad talaga ng interior design ng CR ng Mage Quarter. Very nice. So guys, let's proceed to the second floor. And welcome to second floor. So, this is your living space or family area dito po sa second floor na sobrang ganda, sobrang luxurious, and sobrang lupit po talaga ng bahay na ito. Kasi guys, napakaliwanag po talaga, literal na maliwanag po talaga dito po sa area na to. Kasi guys, sobrang laki guys ng salamin sa may opening. Talaga naman guys, ang ganda talaga guys ng pagkaka-layout sa bahay na to. And speaking of opening, so this is your opening guys ng bahay. O diba? Lakas baka pang mayaman. Talaga naman guys, sobrang social po talaga ng bahay na ito. Talaga naman guys, very nice, very excellent, and very static talaga ng bahay na ito. Kasi guys, ang gusto ko po sa bahay na to is yung industrial concept design niya na may materials na concrete wall finish materials in clean look na may combination siya ng stone cladding. O diba? Yung talaga yung perfect matching talaga ng materials na gusto ko po sa bahay guys. Then guys, after naman natin sa opening, let's proceed sa mga kwarto guys. First guys, this is the bedroom number 1. Look how beautiful the bedroom number 1 is. Sobrang liwanag. Bali guys, ito yung bedroom na sa side kasi ito ng bahay. So, yung kanyang pinakagilid, napakalaki ng salamin niya guys sa gilid. Then naglagay ako dito ng sopa para kung saan magmuni-muni ka, o diba? Ang ganda talaga and sobrang superb talaga ng design. Then meron siyang bunk bed, meron siyang storage, o diba? The interior design, wow! Ang ganda ng interior designs ng bedroom number 1. So guys, after natin ang bedroom number 1, let's proceed to the bedroom number 2. So this is your bedroom number 2 na sobrang ganda talaga, as in superb and excellence po talaga. And talaga naman guys, napakaganda po talaga ng designs na to. Talaga naman guys, nakakatuwa po talaga yung designs ng bahay na ito kasi yung designs niya superb. And talaga naman guys, kakaiba po talaga yung kanyang mga designs. Super duper nice. And yung kanyang bedroom number 2 kasi meron siyang bunk bed, then meron siyang queen bed. O diba? Very nice. And lahat po ng kwarto dito has a cove lightings. O diba? Kaya guys, sobrang ganda po talaga ng bahay na ito. And guys, lastly but not the least, please, proceed naman po tayo sa master's bedroom guys. Kasi guys, this is the master's bedroom na sobrang ganda po talaga. And this master's bedroom has access to its own balcony. This master's bedroom have a own toilet and bathtub. Sobrang laki na may bathtub. Then meron din po itong meron din siyang sariling studio / walk-in closet. So, this is the walk-in closet guys ng bahay. O, diba? This is so really nice. So, napaka-perfect po talaga nito sa akin kasi syempre content creator po ako. So, dito po sa area na to, yung aking walk-in closet. Ayan. And then nandito na po yung aking pinaka-studio. So, magkasama na siya in one. O, diba? Ang talino ng idea na yan kasi sobrang ganda, sobrang practical, and sobrang superb and excellent po talaga ng layout. And then guys, punta naman po tayo sa Master's Toilet and Bath. So, welcome to Master's Toilet and Bath. So, this is the Master's Toilet and Bath guys, na sobrang ganda po talaga ng Master's Toilet and Bath. Talaga naman guys, tingnan nyo naman guys, meron siyang sariling bathtub. Then, ang nagustuhan ko po sa designs na to, hiwalay po yung shower area and yung kanyang mismong toilet area na parehas guys may glass door. Baka hotel yan, o diba? Mala hotel po talaga itong bahay na to at talaga naman guys, patuloy po ako nangangarap po dito po sa bahay na ito na maipatayo in real life kasi di ba? This house is so really expensive kasi para talaga siyang bahay ng isang bilyonaryo. Well, mali naman natin maging billionaire tayo. Bikini man, Lord. Char. This is so really nice po talaga. And guys, I forgot nga pala sa bahay na ito. Nakalimutan ko nga pala yung kanyang ensuite toilet and bath dito po sa second floor. So, this is a ensuite toilet and bath na separate din po yung shower area and yung kanyang toilet area, o di ba? Then ang materials naman po ng kanyang interior is white bricks tiles naman po yung ginamit para pong sa baba. Kaya guys, sobrang ganda po talaga ng bahay na ito. This is so really nice. Ay, may nakalimutan pa pala ako guys. Speaking of ensuite toilet and bath sa baba, this is the ensuite toilet and bath po dito po sa ito lang po sa ground floor naman po, hindi na po sa second floor. Kasi nakalimutan ko po nung tumaas po tayo sa second floor. So, this is the ensuite toilet and bath po sa ground floor. Na talaga naman guys, ang ganda rin po talaga ng kanyang interior. And meron din po siya sariling bathtub. And sobrang liwanag din po niya kasi meron po siyang isang bintana. And ito naman po is located naman po ito sa side and harap ng bahay. Kasi nasa gilid siya, then yung pinaka-walls niya is harap na ng bahay yun. O diba? Ang ganda ng layout, very practical and superb and excellent. And lastly, but not the least, ito talaga, last na talaga to. So, this is the master's balcony. So, this is the master's balcony na sobrang ganda po talaga, elegante talaga, and kakaiba talaga yung design niya. Then, sobrang sarap po talaga itong magmuni-muni, mag-isip-isip, kung ano nang nangyayari sa company. Kala mo naman may company. Wala pa akong company guys, itatayo pa lang kapag kasinwerte sa TikTok. So, this is the balcony, o diba? Very nice! Thank you so much guys for watching, and that's it for today. And please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel MJBMD. And again, this is Marjol Brianes Magbo from MJBMD. And always remember, you are the designers of your own life. Design your life!